Hi everyone, it's MsDaleMarie. In an earlier video I showed you a shell stitch blanket that I was making, and I explained why I like that stitch so much. I think it's so pretty, and I can memorize the pattern in a jiffy, and when I need a gift really fast I can do a shell stitch blanket super fast. So as you can see, speed is my #1 reason here. Plus it's so pretty. So today I thought I would show you how you can make a shell stitch blanket in any size that you want. So the first thing you're going to do is make a foundation chain, and the number of chains you're going to make depends on how wide you want the blanket. So you're going to make it as wide as you want, and the only rule is the chain has to be a multiple of 6 plus 7 more chains. So in this little example I made 36 chains plus 7 more, so 42 chains. Alright, to do the first row you're going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, you're going to do 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. So I have my 2 double crochets, and then we're going to skip 2 chains, and in the 3rd one we're going to do a single crochet, skip 2 more, and in the 3rd one we're going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're going to skip 2 more. 1, 2, and do a single crochet here. Alright, so you're going to finish that pattern. You're going to do 5 double crochets, skip 2, a single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochets, skip 2, and a single crochet. So you're going to finish that pattern until you get to the end, and it's going to end on a single crochet. Alright, I'm going to finish up this row and I'll be right back. So now we're going to start the 2nd row. We're going to chain 3 and turn. Okay. Now we're going to do 2 double crochets in the 1st single crochet. So right here. One and 2. Okay. Then we're going to do 1 single crochet in the middle of this 5 double crochet shell. So right here at the top. So we're going to skip 2, and right at the top we're going to do a single crochet. And now we're going to do 5 double crochets in the single crochet of the previous row, which is right in between the 2 shells. So 5 double crochets. So you're going to skip 2, and the 3rd one is going to be that single crochet on the previous row. So we're going to do 5 double crochets in there. Okay. We're going to skip 2 and do a single crochet at the top of this shell. Okay, and we're going to repeat that pattern until we get to the end, and I'll show you what you do when you get near the end. I'll be back. Okay, I'm at the end of the second row and it ended on a single crochet. We're going to do chain 3 and turn. So the first stitch, we're going to do 2 double crochets here. Okay, and then you can start the same pattern that we've done in the first 2 rows, which is skip 2, single crochet in the top of the shell. Whoops, that's a double. Don't want to do that. Single crochet, 5 double crochets. We're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and do 5 double crochets in between the shells of the previous row. And just carry on in that pattern. Okay, when you are done with how tall you want your blanket, you continue the same pattern all the way down the other 3 edges of your blanket. And that is it. You will have a beautiful shell stitch blanket. Thanks for watching.